So Rooga 16 shot him, and Billy visuals at the outside gun range getting it in. Practice makes perfect. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, BTV1.
Yeah, don't use the power line. Yeah. We don't want to do that. Shooting full auto, guys, it does go very fast, so make sure
I don't know if it's at the crib or if it's what's it called.
It'll take about a second and a half to run the rest of it. If you have a malfunction or need some help or need to take a break, just hold what you got, look at your RSO, he'll take the weapon. Let me get y'all some air protection.
We got fully auto shit out here.
Do you want to wear that while you're shooting? Yeah? I'll give you some earplugs, alright?
We got shit fully auto out here.
Okay, make sure they go nice and deep in the ear since you're not going to have air protection. Not the 5.7, P90. They don't make a 5.7. There you go. Do you guys have glasses or anything?
No, I don't have that.
No?
Where they did an illegal modification, that gun's this close to blowing up in their ear. Because a gun like that, if you don't modify it correctly, like that gun specifically, I wouldn't want to run that full auto. That would most likely blow out a battery.
What?
We got automatic shit out here.
90% of those videos are Glocks.
Dude, I saw a video the other day.
Did you bring down the first gun or two?
What he said?
Y'all got the type of licenses for that? What's it called?
FFL? Yeah, you need FFL to do pretty much. I'm gonna get you some right now.
I can hear shit.
Nice clean set. They might have a little scratch or something on them. Just gotta kind of deal with them.
It's about to go down, man. It's going down.
Alright, one more. Here you go.
Well, I don't know how long it lasts.
Lock automatic too?
No,
it's just,
Oh, okay. I thought it had a switch on.
so if you guys want to set up a camera forward of the shot, now would be the time to do it. We're about to
alright, so who wants to shoot
where's
in?
the,
Is he gonna set up the camera? Set up the camera or just doing video?
What you shooting right now?
First, let's start with the gun.
You want to have him stand here for the handgun?
Then it's gonna be all
What's up?
louder.
You want to have him stand here for the
Gotta
handgun?
clear the whole
So he'll be standing
I
right
split it
about.
into two.
So if you actually, if you wanted to get a good shot, maybe like right up here.
With everything.
Like maybe like
the
right up
handgun
here.
too.
He's gonna be right here
Yeah.
shooting.
Okay.
We'll just got that and I guess I'll put this. But you ain't gonna be able to get like no slow motion from the side.
Oh, it's right here. Let me show you.
So we come right over here, Bob.
Cool, and if you guys want to get up nice and close to film, you guys can, okay?
Yeah, come right over here. With this gun, you can shoot any of the targets that you see.
Yeah, that's good.
So what you want to do with the Glock, you want to get as much power on here as you can. You're gonna want to line
I know that bitch be loud.
This one's not too bad. Honestly, these two will probably be the loudest.
Yeah.
Everybody good to go?
Just waiting on him.
The MP5 is just a shoot. With the MP5,
MP5, probably the M4 is going to be the easiest because it has a red
Going
dot.
hot.
Oh yeah.
Alright, boss.
Alright, we're live, guys. Ears on.
So you check
He nigga don't know what he doing,
What
man.
he aiming at?
What the fuck is he doing?
Hey, don't ever let me shoot.
Sure, man.
If you guys want to get closer, you can.
Not with him. Hold on.
Oh.
Let's see. Just next shot at that guy.
Gotta hit that like button. Hit that like button.
He big with them shots.
That's a face shot.
That was a hit.
That nigga don't know what he doing, man.
One of y'all want to go?
Yeah.
You want to split that with somebody? See that. Bump this out real quick. So Glock 17. Everybody know it? Line it outside, inside, rear side. Nice and smooth. Engage any target.
Chest shot. Neck shot.
Oh, nice.
Subscribe to BTV right now.
He's on it.
What them was?
You was getting wild.
That shit was good, dude. That
I'm
was
not
on
gonna
point.
lie, you nailed him like 3 times in the headshots, wasn't it?
Hey, bro, I'm John Wick out here, man. I'm like John Wick. They better stop fucking playing with me. I'm like John Wick, man.
Billy, you want to get a close up of me?
Yeah, can I get that close to it? Like,
You can stand close. Just remember, just stay backwards of him.
Okay, yeah.
If you want to like kind of get that camera up, like right next to his shoulder.
Yeah.
Good spot.
Alright.
All right, man.
I ain't gonna lie, so I was just hit that bitch in the
Now we get
face.
to the good shit.
Well,
So,
oh, that's that automatic?
stance. That's where this thing all starts. So I'm standing like this. Kind of want to plunge those shoulders into the target. I should be almost balancing on that front foot. Right? Right hand, left hand, you're going to pull tight into that shoulder. Press your cheek to the top. See that little hole? Yeah. That's your rear side. Look right through the hole. You want to put the tip top of that pin right in the center of the hole on the target and squeeze the trigger, okay? Now, every magazine has 25 rounds. I'm going to start you right here on semi-automatic. Just get a feel for it. Take a few. Whenever you're ready, drop that switch. Automatic, okay?
Where them bullets popping out at? They popping out right here?
I don't know.
The shells?
Nah, that's shooting now.
The casings will probably come out.
Yeah,
like
come
right
out
here.
this way towards me.
I ain't got time for no hot ass shells.
Okay, all right, you ready? Stop, you going to stand right there. Got you on semi-auto.
Hey,
On.
let me get like the first 2 shots and then I'm gonna get a little bit closer.
That's it.
Shoot it automatic.
Billy, you want to come closer this way?
Yeah, do the full auto. No.
All right, man. Lean in.
That's that auto.
16, you wanna shoot it? Let me try that. Let me try one of these ones.
Hey, you're actually doing pretty good at that. Can you guys hear the steel getting hit?
Yeah.
That little ting ting ting.
Yeah.
The AR or the AK? I want that one.
I want to shoot that K.
All right, man. Are you right-handed? Right-handed?
I
Right
do
hand,
want
left
to shoot
hand,
one
right?
of them, though. I ain't no shot at MP5.
Get a good aggressive lean into the target. Press your
Why ain't
cheek to the
shoot
stock.
either?
You want to look right through that hole.
Billy be doing this shit, so he know.
You go right in the center of the hole, into the target, squeeze that trigger, okay? And you got semi-automatic. Right there. Take a few, get a feel for it.
Motherfuckers in these
Whatever you
comments pressed.
Put that down. Hold on tight. All right.
And it's how many rounds?
25.
25.
Yes, sir.
That shit popping. Damn, this nigga.
Nice.
What the fuck?
He's on it. All right. Drop the switch. Get some.
Damn. Ooh. That bitch get wild, shorty.
He was smacking those little targets.
That's that shit.
That's it for that gun?
Yeah, that's for that gun.
I'm shooting something
Pretty cool
automatic,
so far.
man.
Try some right.
Yeah. Let's try some rifles now.
Hey, that gun's raw.
That
I
gun
need
raw
to
as
get
hell.
one,
What that
though.
is?
Radio and hot.
MP5.
MP5?
That
They
shit.
shoot like 9.
It ain't got no kick really, do it?
It don't. I mean, it do a little bit, but it's nice. It like you saw them little things on
Yeah.
lining them up. Bro,
You was fucking them up. Is it easy to hit something with that?
Yeah,
thing?
you can. Yeah, it's easy to line something up with that.
When it's
With
full
the
auto,
rifles, bro, for me, it's easy with the rifles, bro. I damn near can just feel it. Like I could just point them, but with the pistols, I be having a harder
You
time.
can ignore this. You get a red dot.
You shooting, so you got aim.
Yeah,
You wanna hit shit like
don't
you
play
with
with
that
me
Glock,
out
though.
here, bro. You
Keep it real, I was headshotting that bitch. I hit that bitch in the mouth.
Hey, don't pull up on Billy and Roo.
Pull up on us, man, please. Our aim is accurate. We work on this shit all the time. This nigga 16 don't know what he doing, man. This nigga finna shoot himself. That's a big ass gun, though.
Yeah, that one.
Your name, 16 shot him. Damn.
What about those you said?
Just the green guys in the back.
Your ass missing.
Push this one. You want to go auto? Yep. So lean into it like you're gonna fight.
That's that auto. Your ass missing.
Hey, 16, please don't shoot.
Thank you. How many shots in up?
30.
25.
That's that got so many shots, ain't had no choice but to keep doing. Green beam on the laser, where's he going?
All right, boss. So
A little bit, huh?
can you ignore this?
Yeah, the full auto, man. It's spraying pretty.
Wherever you see that light.
It ain't like the video games where it's just like, ah, fuck you.
Yeah.
Even on that.
And on top of that, too, like what they don't show you in the movies,
Go automatic.
In combat?
Lean into it.
rarely, very rare, do you ever go full auto. You're gonna take one
We
shot,
only
one
want
kill,
to
right? If everyone's doing full auto shooting, one, your gun's gonna get too hot. You can't hold on to it. Two, you run out of ammo. Like
What's
that.
that to like? Just suppress people?
That's automatic.
Yeah, like close quarters. If they're 100 yards away, I'm going full auto.
It's hard trying to hit the red.
Get some close up shit.
Trying to do.
You're getting some good hits.
I couldn't really tell.
Hold that bitch. Ooh, that bitch getting wow. I gotta shoot something automatic.
Nice, bro. It's a good gun. Oh, cool.
It's my turn.
Weapon of choice.
Go ahead, folks.
What we doing?
Oh, you guys are? Nice.
Yeah. Hip hop.
Oh, hip hop? Alright, cool.
Hell yeah.
So, this is going to be the AK-47. Alright, this one's going to have a little bit more kick to it. Not crazy much, but it definitely kicks.
Automatic though.
It's same as the last, so it's select fire. You have semi-auto and full auto.
Alright.
Now, are you going to shoot the first one?
Yeah.
Alright. So we'll have you stand up there again, but with this guy, right hand, left hand, make sure you grab the wood. Don't be holding on to the metal because your barrel gets
Get
hot.
hot.
Okay? Pull nice and tight into the shoulder. Cheek down to the wire stock right here. That's your rear sight, that little notch. See that guy?
Yeah.
The tip of that middle pin will line up with that notch. You want it to line up
hit
just
exactly
like
where I
that.
want to hit if I put it on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Watch this. John Wick with that bitch.
The red dot on the AR sign.
It's that case.
Oh, that was so accurate. For the other shit was so easy.
That Glock was easy as fuck.
Oh, bro.
Alright.
Now, on this guy, that's safe right there. Just watch the bolts from coming back. That lever all the way down is single shot, semi-automatic. Hit that lever about halfway up. That lever. Are you right hand? Yeah. Yours on? Alright, get a good stance. Go and stand on this flat part right here. There you go. Alright. Okay, kind of want to lean forward. There you go. Lean that front leg. Yep. Good hit. Nice.
Oh, bro.
Put that on auto.
Flip that little switch halfway up. Right there. Yep. Now lean in, man. Hold on tight, okay? Bring the stock a little higher up in the shoulder, too. It'll make it easier. There you go. That's not bad, huh?
That bitch hit the arm though.
Fucked up.
You gotta have some strength for that, boy.
All right, brother, man, you ready?
Hey,
That bitch get wild.
one of those shots, like I'm gonna be on the. Can I be on the ground then?
You want to take a knee and shoot?
Yeah.
Man, who the fuck you think you is?
And get like a side angle.
This nigga think he in Iraq for real. If you don't sit your ass down.
I'm not from here, girl, I'm from Chicago.